this is 9-4. It is referring to the composite transformations. So 8, both questions ask us to just describe the composite translations, okay? All right, so take a look here. These are all translations because it says translations here, all right? So it originally starts with the blue because you see how it's just the letters. Then it goes to the primes. So looks like what happens here. So first, okay, what happened? Well, let's count. So let's grab the point E and it goes to E prime. Let's see. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it went 6 to the right. Then it went 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So we put that in vector language as 6, comma 4. Okay. Then I'm gonna change colors so I don't get anything confused. I could grab the same letter of E. So let's just do E. So E. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it went 6 to the left. Did it go down or up? And is it 0 down or up? Okay. So I can write second. It went 6 to the left, so that's a -6, comma 0 here. Okay, so there you go. All right. Just letting you know, this from the original to the double prime, right? You could already tell it was just really a sliding down by 4. So, oh, this should be a -4. Okay, because it went down. Remember, this is a -4. Okay, good. All right. Okay. This is just an optional answer. Okay, you add these two together, right? 6 plus -6. This gets you a 0. -4 plus 0 is -4, right? This means no left. This means down 4, right? So if you look from the original to the final, do you see how it's really nothing going to the left, 4 down, right? But we don't teach you that in this class. So this is all you need to know, is that's the answer, okay? All right. So for B, let's count. The original is A, B, C, and it goes to the prime. So let's count that. So here's A. So it goes up 1, 1 up. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 right. So first, it is 1 up, 5 to the right. Positive. Right? No, that's wrong. Okay. 5, comma 1. Because remember, the letter, the first one is for left / right. It's for the X values. Okay. Comma up / down for the second value. Okay. It's in this format. So we went right 5, then up 1. Okay. Then the second one, let's see. Let's grab A here. We went here. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 down. And then we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. Okay. So here's the second. 5 down, 5 to the left. Oh, sorry. Again, we have to do left and right first. So 5 left, so that's a -5. 5 down means a -5 down. Okay, so there you go. All right. So again, left is negative, right is positive, up is positive, down is negative. Okay, so down, 5 left, good, and right up is positive. There you go. All right, so there you go. That is how. Again, if you want to think about the net, if you want to add these two together, -5 plus -5 is 0. 1 plus this is -4. Notice that the difference, this is the same as this is really not moving in the X left or right, but it's going 4 down, right? But all right, that's something interesting if you care. All right, but there you go. This is how you write the composite translations. All these are written in terms of translations and how it moves.